My name is Jess and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am going to share with you 3 new DIYs that I made, easy, budget friendly decor ideas for your home for these holidays. And I really hope that you like and enjoy this video, and if you do, please a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload any video. Guys, I want to let you know that this last week we posted a new video on my other channel, Jazomy Home. So much fun and with great ideas to decorate your Christmas tree and your home for these holidays. So make sure that you watch that video. The link is going to be in the description box of this video. And also remember to follow me on all my social media pages. The links are in the description box. So yeah, now we can start. For this first project, I'm going to be using this wood frame that I had at home, and I really like it. I love the distressed look it has, and I don't have a background for this sign, so I'm going to be using a piece of canvas fabric left over from another project, and I just measure and then cut the size that I need for my frame. Remember that you can use a canvas that you can get maybe from Dollar Tree, or you also can use any picture frame that you have at home and just reuse it to make another project. I want the background of my sign to be red, so I decide to use my Waverly chalk paint in red color. I paint the whole canvas fabric and then let it dry. To stick the canvas fabric to the wooden frame, you can use maybe hot glue, but just to make it stronger, I decide to use my stapler and just put staples all over the edges on the wood frame, and just making sure that my canvas fabric look as straight as possible. Okay, once your sign look like this, you can write, or maybe you can place I don't know, whatever you want. And I decided to cut a decal with white vinyl that said "In this house we," and then I stick it on the top of the sign. And you can also use stickers or any stencil that you like. At the bottom, I need to place the word believe, and I'm going to be using this metal word from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to change the color to white with spray paint. Once the paint is dry, you can use hot glue or super glue to stick your metal word on the bottom part of the sign. Guys, if you want, you can put any greenery to the sign or maybe berries. I really want something to look simple and with a high-end look, and this will be the result, and I really like it, and I hope that you like the idea too. For this next project, I will be using this box that I got from just a random product that I ordered in Amazon. But you can use any shoebox or maybe a box from the mail or whatever you have. And I'm going to be turning these into a present. To wrap my box, I'm going to be using this burlap fabric, and I really love it because it will give some texture to this project. And guys, I got this burlap fabric from Walmart, but I also saw that you can buy it in Amazon, so in the description I left the link of one that I found, and it looks just like this one for a very good price. Once my box was wrapped with the burlap fabric, I'm going to be placing this ribbon and I'm going to put a piece around each one of the sides of the present. And guys, this is the same ribbon that I used to decorate my Christmas tree, and if you don't watch that video yet, I'm going to be leaving you the link in the description box. I made that video for my other channel, Jazomy Home, so you need to check that out. It's super cool and funny and you're gonna love it. For the bow, I'm going to be using this red ribbon and I'm going to fold it about like 6 times, just depending on how big and long you want your bow to be. Then I'm going to cut with my scissors like a line to each end in the center of the ribbon, and this is where I'm going to be tying a piece of twine or whatever you have, and that cut is what is going to help me to be able to move the ribbon very easy to be able to form my bow. You can also cut another piece of ribbon to form the 2 pieces that normally hangs from a bow, and then you can glue them on the top of the present. And then you can glue your bow too with hot glue. Try to make sure that your bow looks great, and also the ribbon that hangs from your bow too. Mine has wire and it is very easy to accommodate the ribbon, so that's a great tip. Try to get ribbon that has wire on the edges. If you want, you can leave your project like that, but I decided to use these wooden beads to form a mini garland. You can get beads from Walmart, from at home, and also from Amazon. I always leave you a link from a wooden beads that I always get, and I love them, so yeah, just check the description box. At the end of the garland, you can place a tag if you want, and I decided to use this snowflake that I had, and I tie it together with the beads, and then I glue the garland to the present. Once I finish, this will be the result, and I love how it looks. Guys, many stores sell these type of decorations like presents, and they can be a little bit expensive, but with a little fabric or any wrapping paper that you like and ribbon, you can do it yourself, and I did it for a fraction of the price of what you normally see on the stores. For this next project, I'm going to be using these stir sticks that come in a set of 3, and you can get them from Walmart or Home Depot for just $1. And the first thing that I did was to cut the design that they have with my saw machine. Then I'm going to be placing all of the sticks together, leaving a little separation between each one, and then I'm going to be sticking them together using popsicle sticks and hot glue. From there, I'm going to give some color to the wood, and I'm going to be using my Waverly wax in a thick color, and I'm going to add just a small amount of wax because I want that the wood have like an H look. And yeah, I did that, and once the wax dries, I'm also going to be sanding the edges to give more dimension to each one of the sticks. From there, I'm going to be working with the pieces to decorate this sign, and I'm going to be using these mini wooden ornaments from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using 3 of them, and then I'm going to paint them with my Revely chalk paint in white color. I decided to put decals on the center of each one of the trees, and they said ho ho ho, and I glue one to each of the trees. I made these decals using red vinyl, but remember guys, if you don't have a Cricut machine, you can use stickers from Dollar Tree, and also Walmart have so many stickers for a very good price. At the top of the tree where the star is, I decided to use the same ribbon from the previous DIY, and I cut 3 small strips of ribbon that were a little bit thinner to be able to make small bows and then glue them on each top of the tree. Once all the trees are ready, I will glue them to my sign with hot glue. To give it a final detail, I'm going to be placing a piece of wood at the end of the sticks, forming like an X. Make sure that where your piece of wood starts and ends are stick on the back side of the sign. Once I was done, guys, this will be the result of my project, and I love how it looks. I only spent like $2 on this DIY because I always have paint at home, and also the ribbon is the one that I have left over from my Christmas tree, and I really love how this project turned out, super inexpensive and with a high-end look. And I really hope that you liked today's video and that these DIYs give you some ideas and that inspire you. If you like them, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and let me know in the comments which of these projects was your favorite, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages, and remember that I have a new blog post on my webpage jazomy.com and a new video on Jazomy Home channel. All the links are in the description box. I love you so much and see you on the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.